Welcome to the King's Exploits channel. Watch the clip and let us know your honest feedback. Now it is time to dive into today's video about the VIX, the fear gauge in stock trading. Ever heard of the VIX, the fear gauge of the stock market? It's like a crystal ball for market volatility, reflecting investors' fear levels. A high VIX means turbulence ahead, while a low one signals smooth sailing. Smart traders use it to navigate risks and spot potential market shifts. Remember, the VIX is just one piece of the puzzle, so pair it with other indicators. Understanding the VIX can give you a leg up in the investment game. Stay informed, stay sharp, and happy trading. Thank you for watching the entire video. Your active participation would enable and inspire us to create more interesting videos in the future. We at the King's Exploits channel would love to get your honest feedback. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Further pressing the bell icon will give you an instant notification whenever a new video is posted. Have a great day!